Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a letter to Santa. It's gonna be really simple, really easy, and like I said, if you're a beginner, stick around for the entire video. The entire video is like 8 minutes, so it's not gonna be very long. It's really short, and you get to learn this thing. So that's pretty much it. Let's get started, okay? Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe if you like learning how to draw Christmas during Christmas or Halloween drawings during Halloween. This is a seasonal channel. So basically, when the season hits, the channel, I start posting a lot from that season, okay? Hit the subscribe. Through the year, I will post, but it's not going to be very much. Right now, I'm posting 3 times a day. When Halloween, except for the weekend, and then when Halloween rolls around and Christmas rolls around, that's when I post that much. And through the year, I might post like once a day or once a week. It's gonna be really rare, but you want to hit that subscribe, click that bell notification, and keep up. All right, let's get going here. So first thing I do is I'm gonna draw the squareness of the letter or the rectangleness of the letter. Pull a line over here. Pull across long way. Right? Like how long's a letter? Envelope, right? Pulling up. Let me extend this up a little bit as well. And now I'm going to kind of put an X through this kind of. I'm going to draw a line here. And continue along here, but I'm going to give it some space. Same thing on this side. I'm going to draw a line here. And then draw a line here. Right? Because the envelope is folded a certain way. The top, though, is going to touch. So the top is going to be an open. That's where the envelope is going to be open. Right here. Line over here. Line over here. Up. We're going to have the letter popping out of this thing. Okay. Got it so far? And it's going to zigzag down here like it's pouring out of that envelope. Going to go over here. Going to draw the same curve on this side. Straight across. Line over here. Line over here for the back of the envelope that's open. And then I'm going to pull a line back this direction because you're looking at the underside of the paper. And I'm going to do the same thing up here too. All right, doing pretty good. Let's draw the letter. So you can draw like a symbol on it. We can draw like a tree on it, right, to make it look very Santa-y. Like to Santa, maybe. We can draw just a tree on here. So triangular shape. Another triangular shape. Another triangular shape. Line over here. Line, line. Curve underneath. Circle, 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 circle. Go to the top here. Like, I'm just going to draw a zig, like, see that, like, line? It almost looks like a squiggly line. That's going to represent writing, right? And you can do this, maybe take a space, do the same thing with squiggly line. It's writing it's kind of illegible writing. It's writing that we're not, looking at. Like we're not meant to read, right? We're just to show like, oh, this is a letter, right? You can kind of do it like that. Just kind of separate them out, willy-nilly. So let's put a little bit of color in there. A little bit of color. Nothing too wild, nothing too crazy. Just a dab of color. Let me see if this is yeah. So down here where there would be shadow, I'm going to color it light blue. Right there. Same thing over here, light blue. Light blue on that side. Line over here, let's say. Line over here. Maybe to show this like a little bit of gradual, you know, darkness. Really, this is like what this representing is shadow. Whew, smells. Sorry, that marker smells. Let's go over here for the green. Let's see, green for the tree right there we have on the page. And maybe like an orange here for the bottom base of the tree. And maybe a blue for the, you know, some of the, what's it called? The ornaments on the tree here. That's a really dark blue. Wow, that might as well be black. I would put a lighter blue, by the way, on that. Let's put a red. There you go. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. That's a letter to Santa. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, hit that like. The like is so massively important. If you can press that like, that would help out so much, because what it does is it kind of gives the channel more exposure and just kind of helps everything out as far as the growth of the channel goes. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are awesome. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the description. If you want to learn how to draw in general, like overall, like your basic drawing, if you want to level up, go to Skillshare. I can put the link in the description. What that is I go over how to draw the head, you know, how to draw anime, how to draw like the basics of anatomy, basically all the basics you need to overall like raise your drawing level in general. Go to that. Those are hour-long lessons, but they're all beginner based. So go check that link out. The first, I think, 100 people that click it get in for free. You get like a full month of it for free. And so here's what you do. You sign up, you get that full month, and then when you don't want it anymore, you can get rid of it. Like, it's easy. You can get it for free. Like, you can cancel after that first month, and you pay $0. That's what's cool about it. But you get all the knowledge. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.